Hey there, it's UpReachr here. And if you've got something like a product that you want to promote, or a page you want to drive traffic to, or you're simply in need of a consistent flow of quality traffic, I'm going to show you step by step how to get an influx of traffic within hours from a fresh traffic source without breaking the bank. In fact, you'll be able to get traffic with this system in minutes on a shoestring budget without previous experience or without going through a learning curve. And it's going to be the best quality traffic you'll ever get, I promise you. So buckle up because the next few minutes are going to blow you away. For the first time ever, you're going to see how one simple app finds, contacts, and closes influencer deals and sends you targeted traffic on complete autopilot on a tiny, tiny budget. And it works in Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube and gets traffic from all of these networks at the same time. I'm going to repeat that so you understand what I just said. You'll be getting fresh, targeted buyer traffic from Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube at the same time, without a learning curve, without breaking the bank, and without waiting. You just need something you want to promote. It's that simple. And this works in any niche. Sounds too good to be true, right? I don't blame you if it does. I'd be skeptical too, but let me explain exactly how this works and why this is so important for you today. So, what influencer traffic and why is right now the best time to strike this traffic source? You see, influencers are simply people with a large and highly engaging social media following that will in one way or another recommend your product to their audience in the way that resonates the best with their audience for maximum clicks, conversions, and sales. They're at the top of their game. Everyone follows them. Everyone buys what they wear. Everyone pays attention to them, just like celebrities. So imagine what would happen if one of these top people in your chosen niche will talk about or recommend your product. What if they wear your brand's clothing? Or what if they talk about your weight loss formula? Or what if they recommend a ClickBank offer through your affiliate link? The fact is, these types of deals are happening all the time, on a daily basis, with a countless amount of influencers. But you're not in the mix yet, because it's so complicated, risky, and has to be done right. A few problems which we actually solved and got down to 3 simple steps, but more on that in half a minute. The beauty about these influencers is that they range from smaller influencers to bigger ones, and it depends on your budget and goals who you want to have promoting you. Now imagine how many influencers in your niche you have on Instagram. Well, how about TikTok, the fastest growing social media network right now? What about Reddit, Twitter, YouTube? How many people in your niche actively hang there? Billions, and that means you have more influencers than you can possibly imagine. Now, can you imagine influencers in all these networks all pointing out to your offers, brand, products, and links? Well, you don't need to imagine. I'm going to show you how to do it on autopilot. Sounds crazy, but it's real. We've been crushing it like this for a long time now, and we finally automated the entire process to one simple app. So while other traffic sources are overcrowded, super risky, competitive, and saturated, this will be a breath of fresh air to you. I run a 7-figure business online, mainly focused around selling software. This means that I'm in constant search of traffic, and I tried and even mastered more traffic sources than I can count. SEO is time-consuming and risky. Facebook ads and Google ads are very expensive and risky. Blogging is a waiting game and hard to scale. Solo ads are extremely high risk, and social media, well, why spend 2 years to build a following just to start earning money when you can have the same impact today within a few hours? That's because our app works fast and it finds influencers in your budget. So even if you're down to your last few bucks, you can still get a nice deal that can result in hundreds of targeted clicks within days and even hours. And you scale as you feel confident and make your money back. So you may be wondering, if it's so great and so easy, why isn't everyone using it? The problem with this traffic source and why we're not giving it to everyone all over is because it's not accessible to beginners and because it allows no mistakes at all. What do I mean by that? Well, first of all, you have to do it perfectly or else you'll be ignored or embarrassed and you'll lose money. That's because you have to manually find influencers. Make sure they fit your budget before you contact them, which is damn near impossible. Then you need to spend hours researching every single day, and you then need to know how to contact them, and then how to close that deal smoothly. This entire process should be done smoothly. One mistake in the process, one wrong influencer, one wrong message, one wrong deal, one wrong niche, and you've lost that traffic forever. It has to be perfect, because when you're talking to an influencer, you have to be professional. And if you don't, well, then you will fail with this traffic source for many months until you start earning, and all the lost deals will simply be lost forever. That's a huge learning curve if you do it manually. My partner and I, Med, who is, by the way, a spectacular developer that created softwares that sold into the millions of dollars, recognized this problem and went on to automate it. What we've developed removes thinking, learning, or risk out of the equation and takes care of everything for you. From zero to hero, all the steps you know and don't know are completely automated and simple to follow in the dashboard. Allow me to introduce UpReachr, the first and only software that makes influencer traffic easy and accessible for all. UpReachr is a cloud-based software that finds, contacts, and closes influencer deals for you, and it works in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1, find influencers in any niche based on your budget in YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Reddit in 1 click. This is smoothly done with our special dynamic filtering technology, which sets filters in place to find the best influencers for you and refreshes the list all the time without you having to worry about running out of influencers. Step number 2, reach, if normally you need to find how to best reach them and, of course, how to contact them, what to say, etc. With our software, you don't even need to think about it. It pulls their best contact details and has built-in templates that are proven to convert from our campaigns and just reach them. Step number 3, close. This is the part where you can relax and wait for the traffic. The software will now do its magic in communicating with them. You just fill in the blanks of your offer and voila! Within hours, you can have real traffic coming to you, even on a shoestring budget. That's it. That's all there is to it. There is nothing like this on the market, and that's because our focus was on simplicity, so that you, the end user, can just log in, find an influencer, and get traffic. And if you're watching this video today on this page and the timer is ticking down and you're seeing this whole special offer thing, it means you're still in time for the special discounted price. Because this is the grand public opening, we've discounted it so much that not only is it a low price, it's also a one-time low price. So make sure you grab it now before the clock ticks away and the price increases. When you get this, you will, of course, also be eligible for all the software support and running updates that come with it, so you can use it for many years to come and get traffic whenever you want, wherever you want. Honestly, this is all done for you, but you'll be the judge once you get in. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means you can try it completely risk-free. Now, imagine what kind of impact hundreds and thousands of fresh, targeted clicks every week make on your income and businesses, on your life. Feels good, doesn't it? And now is the time, while barely anyone in the digital marketing space knows how to do influencer marketing, you can get traffic in hours without any past experience or a learning curve on a tiny $10 or $20 budget. Besides, proof, step-by-step walkthrough, and a bulletproof guarantee is just a fraction of how far we'll go to help you. I understand it's scary to invest, especially with all these scams in every corner of the market. And we want to keep our brand legit, whiter than cream, and just plain awesome. Therefore, if you're not satisfied, you won't walk away empty-handed, ever. So go ahead and join us now, and I'll see you on the other side. It's been a pleasure talking to you. See you on the other side. Bye-bye.